In this lesson, we'll dive into the user interface in Vectorworks. To start Enscape, first click the Enscape icon in the toolset. This will display the Start button and the Synchronize Views button at the top. When Enscape is opened already, the Start button turns into the Pause Live Updates button. This is useful if you're planning to perform many changes to your project in a row and don't want Enscape to reload every time. Just pause the updates and restart them to load all changes at once. The Synchronize Views button locks the Enscape camera to your Vectorworks view. Just use your familiar ways of navigating the scene and Enscape will follow. Great if you're just getting started. Next is the asset library. We'll dive deeper into this in the future lesson. For now, just be aware that you can pick any model from this list, click it and place it in your Vectorworks project. This will place a low detail placeholder in Vectorworks so it doesn't suffer performance, but it will place a high quality 3D model in your Enscape visualization so you don't have to worry about the details. Next is the material library. This holds a number of predefined materials that you can load into your Vectorworks project right away. While you can edit these any way you could any other material, these are preset to look great right out of the box. Next is the Material Editor. We will use it later on to enhance our Vectorworks materials to display all the detail we want in a photorealistic image. The General Settings will open a window you can set up global changes for Enscape, like performance, network settings, licensing and your language. The Feedback button is used to get in contact with our customer success team and will provide them with crucial data to analyze problems you may be experiencing. If you have trouble with Enscape, you can also skip right to the end of this learning path to access the troubleshooting area. Lastly, the About button will provide you with information about your Enscape version and can be used to check for new releases. Manage Uploads is where you will find the 360 panoramas and web standalones you will create. In this interface, you can manage your panoramas and upload them to the Enscape cloud. And you can always find a list of your web standalones in this tab. We'll review how to set these up later when we take a look at the exports.